Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Woody Woodpecker cartoon. This one is going to be Sleep Happy from 1951. So, yeah, let's get into it. Oh, yeah.
Guess who?
Woody. All right. Oh, sleep time. Okay, says Wally Walrus. Okay. No vacancy. No vacancy. Oh, right. Because during this time there was a housing shortage, right? Vacancy. Oh, there's a vacancy there. Wally Walrus. He has rooms. Oh, Wally Walrus. You don't want to let him in. Oh, he just right. Right, but Woody looks so tired, right? Like even the way he was knocking, and then right, he knocks on Wally's head too. Right, he couldn't stop himself, but right, but he looks so very tired. He just walks in and doesn't say anything, and Wally's just like, yeah, okay, like he just walked in there, right? It's just is that Wally's bed? Little gem alarm. What? That's an alarm. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, that's how you put out the fire. That's cool. Okay, Wally. Alright, right, that's cool. That's how you put out the flame. What's he doing? What? That's how he sleeps. What is he doing? He was laughing in his sleep. Oh, he's a snorer. Oh, no. Oh, he covered it with the pillow. Alright. I mean, I don't even blame him though, because when there's a snorer, you really can't sleep. Wow, he's still snoring. Oh, he's levitating. Right with the snore, he's wow, he's going up. Wow, so that didn't help at all, Wally. Do you have a different room? I mean, the way he's doing that. Oh, he's gonna drop water on you. Oh, that could be dangerous though. Okay, I guess it worked, but I mean, oh, he's still doing it. Now it's just bubbling up. Oh, right when he's doing that, he's sucking in all the water, and then he's spitting it out. Wow, like how is he? Okay, I was like thinking, how is he breathing? But okay, his nose is right, because that's his beak, right? That's not his nose. Oh. Okay. All right. I said, okay, put him in there. All right, why not? He's like, I can't hear him. There you go. Oh, you can still hear him. Oh, that's even worse. Right, that's definitely worse. The thing is, like Woody hasn't waken up after anything, right? Like, I mean, he looks super tired though, right? So that's why, right? But wow, okay. It's like the poor Wally, he's not gonna be able to get any sleep. Wow, Wally, just sleep on the couch or something. Okay, there you go. That should do it. Okay, now back to sleep. Oh, what now? Oh, he's going through all of them. Come on, Wally. His eyes. Oh, his nose. Wow. Oh, there's 3 Woodies. Like 1 Woody is enough. Right, it's bad for poor Wally here. Wow. Okay. All right, that'll take care of him. That should take care of him. Oh, he's still snoring. What? He's in the mirror. Like what? Can you? If you turn him around, does it make him stop? Oh. Okay. What are you still sleeping? Oh shit! Next to me, next to. I guess that worked. Oh, it's still there. It only worked for a while. Oh, it's gonna break the mirror. Where's Woody? Where is he? Oh, that's bad. Oh, you messed up, Wally. Stop shaking the bat. Stop shaking the bat. You're gonna get more Woodies. Like one is already hard enough to handle. Now two. Wow. Oh, you're getting the third one. Stop shaking. You're gonna get an unlimited supply of Woodies. Oh, put it back together. Good, good. Oh, he just tossed them. He's still again. Wow. Okay, and then there's already holes pegged in the pole, right? That's funny. Wow. So I guess that took care of that. Oh, from the phone booth. You're right. Especially when you want to sleep, like that's how it feels like. I feel you, Wally. Oh! He's so like, you can't even get rid of him. even when you toss him outside, you can't get rid of the noise. Wow, like how did he call? Was he sleep? Did he sleep dial Wally's number? Wow. So I forget this phone. I don't need it anymore. Just cut the. Oh no, maybe don't cut the wire. That's not a good idea. But oh! What? What is going on? What just happened? He's in an elevator. I'm gonna go back. But I'm gonna go back because why did he opened it, but why did he stick out his hand? He opened it, he went like that, and then he went up. How? Don't go in there, it's gonna go down. Oh, no, I know it. Oh, he's sleepwalking. He's doing all of this in his sleep. Like, that's crazy. Like, what he brought the phone booth in here. No, he's laughing. Oh, don't do it, don't do it. Oh, it's his alarm. Is it morning time already? That's a cool alarm. Oh, I don't even blame him. I don't even blame him. Sometimes you need something like that, right? Just to wake up. I mean, wow. That'll wake you up. That'll wake you up. You'll probably get a concussion afterwards, but you'll be awake, right? Woody. He's like, thank you. Now for you to get some sleep. Oh, just sleep in for the day. Sleep in, Wally. Oh, poor Wally. Oh, no, his eyes are red. Stop it. You're well rested, and poor Wally, he's not. Wow. All right. Wow. Yeah, that's the thing. Wally, maybe he shouldn't have opened the door. That was where he messed up. And then he had a sign that said vacancy, right? Like he shouldn't have done that. But yeah, no, this was great. Definitely no complaints at all. I enjoyed this a lot for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.